Well, what's up, guys? It's your boy, David Crosby, here with another edition of Dave's Damn Good Finds. Well, I hope it's a damn good find. I kind of been searching for some roller skates for a while, some roller blades, and my girl got some, and then I went to Green Bay and seen my homie, and he had these power slides. And so I got on them, and I fell in love, and so I went and got myself a pair, and here we go. I'm gonna unbox them and open them and check them out for the first time. Now, with that being said, I am not nowhere near a professional skater. Uh, this is my first pair of skates that I've ever owned. From here, I was always just going to the place, the roller gardens, and renting them. So, um, this is not a review. There's plenty of reviews out there on these skates. They are the Powerslide Triple Black 110's. If you want to look up an actual professional review on everything else besides just how cool they look, because that's pretty much all I'm gonna give you. So, with that said, let's open these bad boys up and see what they do. Yeah, buddy. Feel like a little kid on Christmas. That's the best part about being an adult. You buy your own gifts. Mess around with this knife. I don't put lotion on my hands. I got to be careful. This might be a whole different kind of video. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Come wrapped up in this nice soft white cloth. It's ripped up top here, but add a little extra protection during shipping. So that was nice of Powerslide to do. Ooh. 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 Sexy. Sexy ass skates. Let me get this one. Oh, it's the one that got all the stuff in it. Let me see what we got up in here first. Okay, so in this bag, we got some soles. Give me your soul. Looks like we got ourselves an instruction manual, which I will be reading. I know a lot of dudes don't like to read instruction manual. Your boy likes to read instruction manuals. So, and here we got our brake system, some tools, and everything you need to put on the brake. So, and trust me, your boy will definitely be using the brake. You know what I'm saying? Because I've been watching these videos. I've been watching a world of YouTube videos. You know how it is. Once you buy something, you be looking stuff up. And I am not afraid to say I will be using this bad boy happily until I learn things like the T-stop, the power stop, all them stops. And even till then, I'm not taking this brake off until I'm comfortable. I ain't done. Back to the skates. So, I know from watching plenty of videos, they talk about the Trinity system with the two mounts here, one mount in the back. They say it's a lot more stable, and to me, it just makes sense because, hello, your foot's fat up top here, right? Skinny in the back. The more, stable points you can push off of, the better. So I don't know why it took them so long to come up with that, but I'm glad they did. And they also seem adjustable. I've heard that they're adjustable front to back as well as side to side. So I ain't touching none of that until I put some miles on these things and feel like I need to. Because like I said, this is my first pair of skates. I'm not going to feel anything wrong. My whole body going to hurt because it's not used to this yet. But for me, I think it's going to be a great form of cardio, which is why I got the Powerslide Swells, because they're more of a fitness skate. I was looking at the urban skates and, seeing people do all the jumps and up the walls and sliding down the rails. And I was like, I could do that. But then in for real life, I can't do that. So I was like, nah, I'm a fitness guy. I'm going to kind of stick to my lane and get some fitness skates. And then if I need to jump up and down a curb, I got you. Maybe some steps. I got you. But yeah, so bearings. I know my homie, he went and got some new bearings, some speed bearings. I ain't gonna touch none of that. I ain't gonna touch none of that. I ain't got no place getting some faster bearings. I just got these skates. So you see, they got these nice laces all the way to the top, which is what I do love. And this ratchet buckle, I'm kind of excited when I was seeing folks on the videos ratcheting up while they were skating, because you know how it becomes loose. You got to sit down, do everything. So it's nice that you can ratchet it while you're skating, but they feel solid. I ain't gonna put them on till this weekend. I'm gonna put them on this weekend though, and let y'all see what I think about like my first skate or something. They feel hard though. I might not do the heat molding right away, like I said, because they have that my fit, and they kind of conform to you. I'm gonna leave it be for a while and then see if I want to heat mold it from there. But yeah, Powerslide Swells 110 Triple Black. Pretty sexy to me, you know, so I can't wait to get some miles on these bad boys, some blocks. So blocks before miles. Other than that, sorry I can't give you more of a in-depth review, but they're out there. So it's your boy David Crosby. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll let you know when I get on these and put a video up. All right, later YouTube.